Hello everyone, welcome to your own channel techprashn. This video is based on choosing the right smartphone for you. This smartphone buying guide takes you through the key elements to look at while selecting the best mobile phones. Smartphone has become an integral part of our lives. Technology has revolutionized the mobile manufacturing space. Choosing a mobile device has become confusing, but don't worry. Just keep these essential factors in mind and you will get the best device for yourself or your loved ones. Let's talk about processor and RAM. You need a powerful brain, CPU and a higher memory RAM to get seamless performance. The next generation device comes with AI capability that makes your mobile device a smarter phone. The choices are overwhelming, such as Apple A14 Bionic, Qualcomm Snapdragon 888, MediaTek Helio G96, Exynos 2100 and Kirin 9000. It's always a wise choice to get the latest CPU along with a higher RAM capacity. 2 GB of RAM is not enough nowadays. Recommended would be 6 to 8 GB of RAM. For budget devices, one can consider 3 or 4 GB of RAM as well. Whopping 12 to 16 GB of RAM is not necessarily required unless you are a heavy gamer. Now let's talk about display. The screen sizes seems to be ever increasing and are continuously pushing the boundary. They have reached up to 6.9 inches. However, anything above 5.7 inches would be good choice. Now display types, you have options like LCD, AMOLED, OLED, Super AMOLED and Retina Apple displays. Now high resolution should be your preference, such as Full HD, Full HD+, Quad HD for crisper images. Let's talk about camera features in a smartphone. Now getting a phone with a single camera is extremely rare. Multi-camera sensor has become a norm. Dual to quad, numerous choices are available. Primary, telephoto and a wide-angle shooter, etc. The primary camera's megapixel count does matter for a good quality images, but a higher megapixel count does not always mean a better image. It majorly depends on the sensor size. Anything 16 megapixel or higher with a large sensor can produce quality images. Also, now smartphones have been employing pixel binning, which means the phone can turn 4 or more pixels into one big pixel, adding more clarity and detail to the image. Let's talk about the phone storage. The standard storage is 64 GB. Recommended would be 128 GB to 512 GB. As you would click lot of shots and videos, you need an ample amount of storage to save them. If you are a heavy gamer, you might need a higher storage, as you would add lot of heavy games and other useful apps. Let's talk about OS and battery. You have only two choices, Android and iOS. So choose one wisely. Android gives you unlimited choices of the devices, while iOS has only a few iPhone choices. For the battery, anything with a higher capacity is a good choice. With a large screen, a 5000 mAh battery would be perfect. Thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Do share and subscribe to techprashn channel. Also, you can post your valuable comments and feedback. Thank you all.